Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this lesson, learn how the present continuous tense can be used to talk about future plans and arrangements. You will understand when and how to use it naturally in conversation. Present continuous for future is used to talk about future plans that are already arranged. It means something has been decided or organized. For example, when you say, "I am meeting my friend tomorrow," the plan is fixed. It shows something definite that will happen soon. The form of present continuous uses the verb to be, which can be am, is, or are, followed by a verb ending with ing. The structure is subject plus am, is, or are plus the verb with ing. For example, I am meeting my cousin on Sunday. They are flying to Paris tonight. She is starting her new job next week. We use present continuous for personal future plans when an arrangement is already fixed or when something will definitely happen soon. It often comes with time expressions like tomorrow or next week. For example, I am having dinner with my parents tonight. We are visiting our teacher next Monday. She is flying to London this evening. The affirmative form follows the pattern. Subject, am, is, or are plus the verb with ing. For example, I am meeting my friend tomorrow. They are coming to the party tonight. She is working late this evening. The negative form adds the word not after am, is, or are. For example, I am not going out tonight. He is not joining us for lunch. We are not traveling this weekend. To make a question, place am, is, or are before the subject. For example, are you coming to the movie tonight? Is she meeting us at the cafe? What are they doing this weekend? You can answer with short forms such as I am, she is not, or they are. Certain time expressions are commonly used with the present continuous to talk about the future. These include tonight, tomorrow, this weekend, next week, and on Monday. For example, I am leaving for work tomorrow morning. We are having lunch together on Friday. She is traveling next month. They are coming over this weekend. Present continuous and simple future both refer to future time, but they are different. Present continuous talks about fixed plans or scheduled arrangements. Simple future, with the word will, expresses decisions or intentions made at the moment of speaking. For example, I am meeting him tomorrow means the plan is already made, while I will meet him tomorrow means the decision is made now. We are flying to Rome next week is a fixed plan, while we will probably go to Rome next week is only a possibility. Let's practice. Listen to these sentences and think which ones show future plans using the present continuous. I am meeting Anna for lunch. She will help me with homework. They are going to the concert tomorrow. He will visit his grandparents next month. We are having a meeting this afternoon. The sentences with the present continuous describe planned future actions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.